I am also great. Okay, let's go to discuss about Salat. Friend, do you perform Salat? I am sorry, I don't perform Salat one every day. Basis. What are you telling, friend? It's not right. Don't you know Salat is the key to paradise? You are right. I know it well. I am a Muslim boy. Apart from that, my grandfather is a Haji and wisdom person as well. My father is a massive preacher in Islamic religion. My mother also performed Salah 5 times in a day. Okay, alright. But why do you not perform Salah like your family's members? Do you think we will escape in judgment day? I don't know that the Almighty Allah Ta'ala knowing I only perform Eid Salah and usually perform Jummah Salah on weekends. Yes, that's good. But you must perform Salat 5 times every day. Inshallah, I will try. May Allah Ta'ala bless you and guide you on right way. Definitely, Salat creates a bond with Allah, reminding us of our duty